So I took the pipes down for a little bit. I put them in the other day. I put up 3 more, and the pressure dropped really fast, and it started snowing. So I took them down, and as you can see, there's like this. I don't know if the camera picks it up great, but in the distance you see that nasty chemtrail fog that always comes in. It always comes in from the east over there. They spray it somewhere over in the Chicago area, and it just comes in this way. But yeah, you see this nasty fog that's coming in. So, and the cumulus clouds are gone. Obviously, when they spray, there's never any normal cloud formation. There's more of it. It's just a big gray fog, no definition. Bright, nice blue day. Not real clouds out, but a good old fog. So we're gonna I'm gonna put these pipes up, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so I've got about 4 pipes I put up probably about 45 minutes ago, maybe an hour. And as you can see, the cumulus clouds are starting to form, and it pushed that fog away. And you can see kind of these weird, you see among the cumulus clouds some strange phenomenons, like what I'd call strange, but it's like behind that cumulus cloud you can see kind of, looks like these smears, you know, like that right there. It's the chemtrail fog that was sort of coming in, and this is how it always works. It slowly eats it up, and then you see cumulus clouds replace that nasty goo of like that fog. I don't know if goo is the right word, but this sort of fog. I've been doing this for about 6 years, and it's the same thing every single time. It always works the exact same way. It's completely replicatable. And eventually these cumulus clouds will build up. That fog will keep pushing far off in the distance, and you'll see a front of cumulus clouds come in. They'll be real beautiful. So I'll get on and record here in about maybe another couple hours. You'll see these beautiful, beautiful cumulus clouds. Perfect, picture perfect skies will show. And there won't be any chemtrails at all. There won't be any of that nasty fog left behind from planes. Even if you wanted to pretend that that isn't a geoengineering metal particulate aerosol spraying going on, if it was just jet fuel, which it's not, but if it was, hypothetically, these pipes and putting them up to grounding rods, running a copper cable into them, they work to get rid of that air pollution. Whether you believe it's geoengineering or you believe it's just jet fuel, whatever it is, it gets rid of it, and it brings in incredible weather and rain, and brings in healthy cycles of weather. Stuff breaks droughts. When I lived in Arizona, I used to put this stuff up. Whenever I lived there, it was raining, you know, and we'd get early spring rains and fall rains that we'd never get usually, and winter rains. We'd get the monsoons. They wouldn't be so torrential. Instead of a huge torrential monsoon, we'd get nice even rains all year. And yeah, this stuff, ionizing the atmosphere like this heals it and does a lot of good. So yeah, I'll be back out in a few hours and get a few more recordings and get these beautiful. Pretty soon that kind of foggy looking stuff will keep being pushed away. It'll keep forming the good stuff, and the junky stuff will keep disappearing. Like that weird looking puffy material behind that cumulus there. See, that's a cumulus cloud, and the sun's behind it. When the sun goes behind chemtrails, these persistent contrails, it shines through still. But when it goes over cumulus clouds, which are actual water vapor, they're not, you know, then it actually kind of blocks it. It actually does block the sun, and there's a nice little shade you get when a cloud goes over the sun, but not in front of persistent chemtrails. They don't. The contrails, they don't do that. They just it just kind of gets this weird hue of a different kind of sunlight. It's very strange. All right, be back. So it's only been about 20 minutes, and the sky is already really filling up with the cumulus clouds, and all those weird sort of cloud structures are gone very quickly. Actually quite impressed. I didn't think it happened that fast, but it is. I think I'm going to take the pipes down. I don't really want it to get any more fold in this, so I'm going to take them down. They're working real good though. This is another one I made. This is an orgone. It's attached to the grounding rod as well, and it's a big copper pipe. I always keep that one up. But yeah, these ones are really, I mean, they work like money. They really do. Really do. I point them up there, and boy, do they work. So I'm gonna take them down now. As you can see, the cumulus clouds have definitely become a whole lot more abundant. It looks like it might rain soon. Wasn't any of that in the forecast, but so be it.